Samsung, unlike Apple, isn't just trying to make the Galaxy S25 Slim thinner, they're also trying to make it a real top slim smartphone. We've made some great changes to this model that could make it a good choice instead of the S25 Ultra for people who don't need the S Pen. Ice Universe shows that Samsung's method to the S25 Slim is not the same as Apple's with the iPhone 17 Slim. Samsung is not only going to focus on making the Slim thin and light, but they are also going to give it better camera hardware than the regular S25. There have been leaks in the past that say the S25 Slim will have a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide camera, and a 50MP close-up camera with 3.5x optical zoom. Compare the S25 Slim to the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra to get a better idea of how it fits in. The Slim has a better camera setup than the S25 and S25 Plus. It doesn't have as much zoom as the Ultra, but it's surprisingly close. You might be wondering how Samsung is able to make such a thin device with such high-tech photos. The answer might be the all lenses on prism device they just released. With this new technology, the camera lenses are placed horizontally inside the phone's body. This makes the design sleek without affecting performance. It wasn't clear where Samsung could show off this tech, but new rumors point to the Galaxy S25 Slim as a possible place. The S25 Slim could have a periscope zoom camera. Even with a 3.5x zoom, that's a big jump for a thin phone. It's not likely that Samsung will be able to fit in a big battery unless they use some cutting-edge technology that lets them do so without taking up any extra room. Because Samsung doesn't skimp on the cameras like Apple does, there may not be much room for a bigger battery. In terms of price and tech, the S25 Slim will be in the middle of the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. You may have heard this a million times, but One UI 7 looks like it will be Samsung's biggest update yet, especially when it comes to graphics. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.